Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have two foldable drones on our table, the DJI Mini 2 SE and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the better choice for you. Let's start with the price. The DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339, while the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes in at $249. It's clear that the TENSSENX drone is more affordable, giving it an advantage in this category. Now, let's move on to the camera capabilities. The DJI Mini 2 SE features a high-quality camera that can capture stunning aerial footage with its easy-to-use shooting templates. It offers a max resolution of insert resolution and allows for professional-level video creation. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone boasts an ultra-clear 4K camera, ensuring vivid footage without missing any details. It's a tough call, but the TENSSENX drone takes the lead in this category with its higher resolution. Flight time is a crucial factor when it comes to drones. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and the combo version comes with 3 intelligent flight batteries for a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. In comparison, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone provides 3 batteries as well, giving you an impressive 90 minutes of flight time. It's a tie in this category as both drones offer similar flight durations. Now let's talk about range and stability. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, thanks to its DJI OcuSync technology. This gives you the ability to fly farther and capture more. Additionally, it can withstand winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers a maximum remote control distance of 1,000 meters and is equipped with a GPS module and optical flow positioning for enhanced stability. It's a tough call in this category, but the DJI Mini 2 SE takes a slight lead with its longer transmission range. User-friendliness is always a key consideration. The DJI Mini 2 SE is known for its beginner-friendly features and simplified operations, making it easy to learn and master quickly. It includes a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers multiple functions such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow position. Both drones cater to beginners, but the DJI Mini 2 SE edges ahead with its intuitive controls. The DJI Mini 2 SE is highly recommended for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, advanced transmission range, and beginner-friendly features. Reviewers praise its smooth flying, excellent customer service, and intuitive controls. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is commended for its affordability, ultra-clear 4K camera, impressive flight time, and enhanced stability. Users appreciate its easy learning curve and multiple functions. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the DJI Mini 2 SE and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone in various categories. The TENSSENX drone offers a more affordable price, while the DJI Mini 2 SE excels in camera capabilities and transmission range. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and current prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.